Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more questions from the critical reasoning section verbal for exams like GAT, GMAT and GRE indirectly. So we have already discussed assumption based questions, explanation questions. Today we shall be discussing evaluation questions. What is the meaning of evaluation? Evaluation does not mean finding faults or finding causes, but evaluation only means which of the following information would be more useful or the most useful in deciding whether that argument holds water or not. So here is an example of an evaluation question. Two stores in a mall, X and Y, sell the similar products at the same price. Yet the turnover of such products is more in store X than in store Y. Which of the following, if true, would help us in evaluating this argument? 1. Does store X advertise more than store Y? Does store X have more attractive interiors than store Y? Is the quality of the similar products better in store X? Is the sales staff of store X more good looking than that of store Y? Is the manager of store X more polite than the manager of store Y? Now this is relatively easy. We cannot say anything about this because we do not have any information whether they are advertising or not. So this is outside the information that we've been given. Now interiors, would that be a factor affecting your buying more from a particular store? Is it such an important reason? Now we come to the answer. This you can get directly by selection, but we have to read all the three. So after we read all the remaining options, we'll find that they are extremely superficial reasons for buying things. We don't buy things more from a store where the staff is good looking regardless of the quality, or the manager is more polite or friendly, or the interiors, the shop looks better. So basically it is the quality of the goods that is going to help us decide whether to buy from a particular store or not. So it would help us in judging this argument if this additional information is given, and if it is said that though the products are similar and the price is the same, the quality of the goods of similar products in store X is better than that of in store Y. Alright, this is called evaluation.